Hey guys, welcome to another video, and today's topic is going to be on product example. As I have already opened a product example for you, and I want to show you guys a product on Jungle Scout Chrome extension. Guys, I want to show you how there's still a room for making profit on Amazon, guys. As you can see, we are on the first page, and as you can see, this product reviews, and this product is making 633 sales per day. Average price of this product is $60, and the price range is from 30 to 46. 0 reviews with $16, insane guys. And with 12 reviews, this product is doing 18,000 sales per month. With 5 reviews, 870. With 6 reviews, 6,995. With 19 reviews, 1,558. This is only the first page, guys, and as you scroll down, you can see they are still making sales on the lower page also, guys. With 0 reviews, they are making 150. With 2 reviews, they are making 2,000 sales, guys. And as you can see, and the sales is never ending, guys. As I scroll down and down, you can see, as you can see, I have came from here to here down, and as you can see, with 0 reviews, sales is 2,000 sales per month, 1,100 sales per month, 1,300 sales per month, 960 sales per month. Guys, this is literally insane, guys. With 0 reviews, they are doing 2,000 sales per month, and the sales is on and on, guys. This shows you guys that there's still room for making profit on Amazon. As you can see, let's go back to the front page up here. As you can see, their revenues 512,000 and 40,920. This one seller is selling around $500,000 per month on revenue with 0 reviews, guys. And their rank is 64 to 70. The lower the rank, the better. Lower than 5,000, the better, guys. 64 to 70, 160. And guys, their review rating are not too good also, guys. The review rating just 3.5, and they are making 18,000 sales per month. Review rating are 1.5, and they are making 871 sales per month with 5 reviews. Their review rating are 3.5, and as you can see, this guy's only got 6 reviews, and he's making around 7,000 sales per month, guys. And the listing quality is nearly around average is 4, guys, and you can still make improvement on this product and sell this on Amazon, guys. This is just an example to show you guys how you can make money, and there's still room for improvement, guys. The average sales rank is around 7,600. This is good, guys, and average price is around $60. As you can see, average price is around 30 to 40 to $50, guys. 47, 49, 49, 49, 49, 48, 33, 63, 47, 49. So guys, you can see the opportunity score. The opportunity score is on 9 number. There's a high demand with very low competition, and there are around thousands of products like this one, guys. So do your product research well, and you can succeed on Amazon, guys.